Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best beard trim kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any man looking to maintain a sharp and well-groomed appearance, offering unparalleled precision and convenience right at your fingertips, allowing you to achieve professional-level styling without the hassle of frequent salon visits, ensuring you always look your best with minimal effort. Number 5. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer 5622V. Introducing the Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer. Achieve a perfectly groomed look with ease, whether you're at home or on the go. This versatile tool is designed for precision, tackling mustaches, nose hair, and light detailing. It ensures a clean and polished appearance every time. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. It's always ready when you are, providing consistent power for your grooming needs. As a special bonus, it comes with a wet-dry battery-operated nose trimmer. This adds extra convenience for all your personal grooming essentials. Experience the ultimate in personal grooming with this comprehensive kit. It's the perfect companion for maintaining your signature style effortlessly. The Model 5622V is engineered for performance and durability. Invest in a grooming tool that delivers professional results in the comfort of your own home. What we like. This kit offers unparalleled convenience with its rechargeable battery, ensuring you're always ready for a trim. Its precision detailing capabilities make it perfect for intricate styling and touch-ups. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one tool for maintaining your beard and handling unwanted nose hair, this is an excellent choice for everyday grooming. What people say. The trimmer is very quiet and has a powerful motor. It comes with a variety of attachments for different lengths. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several trims on a single charge. Number 4. Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Brush Set. Introducing the Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Brush Set. Everything you need to keep your beard looking its best. This set features a natural boar bristle brush. It's designed to distribute natural oils and exfoliate your skin. Also included is a dual-action pear wood comb. Use it to detangle and style your beard with ease. Whether you have a short stubble or a long, flowing beard, this set is perfect for you. It effectively grooms both beards and mustaches. Keep your grooming tools protected and organized with the included velvet travel pouch. Take it with you anywhere. Experience the difference quality grooming tools can make. Achieve a neat and tidy beard effortlessly. What we like. Experience the natural power of boar bristles for superior beard conditioning and styling. The dual-action comb tackles tangles and shapes your beard with ease. If you prioritize natural materials and a portable grooming solution for on-the-go touch-ups, this set is ideal for keeping your beard looking its best anywhere. What people say. The trimmer is very quiet and the battery life is excellent. It comes with a variety of attachments for different beard lengths and styles. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver. Number 3. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Beard Kit from Viking Revolution. Everything you need for a perfectly groomed beard. This comprehensive set includes a brush, comb, balm, oil, and scissors. Achieve a polished look with ease. Our beard balm and oil are designed to nourish your facial hair. Style your beard and mustache effortlessly. The included scissors offer precision for trimming stray hairs. Keep your beard looking sharp and tidy. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for any man who takes pride in his beard. It's the perfect present for any occasion. Experience the quality of Viking Revolution. We provide the tools for a superior beard grooming experience. What we like. This ultimate kit provides everything you need for a complete beard transformation, from cleansing to styling. The inclusion of beard balm and oil ensures deep conditioning and a healthy sheen. If you're seeking a full spectrum of grooming tools to achieve a perfectly sculpted and nourished beard, this comprehensive set is a fantastic gift or personal investment. What people say. The trimmer has a very good grip and is easy to maneuver. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several trims on a single charge. It comes with a variety of attachments for different beard lengths and styles. Number 2. Viking Revolution Ultimate Grooming Kit for Men. Introducing the Ultimate Grooming Kit designed for men. Achieve a perfectly styled look with ease. This kit includes a premium boar bristle brush. It helps to distribute natural oils and smooth your hair and beard. Also included is a natural wood comb. It's perfect for detangling and shaping your beard or mustache without causing static. Nourish and condition your facial hair with our sandalwood balm and oil. They leave your beard feeling soft and smelling great. For precise styling, we've added sharp scissors. They allow for easy trimming of stray hairs and shaping your beard and mustache. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a polished appearance. Elevate your daily grooming routine with this essential collection. What we like. Indulge in the luxurious sandalwood scent that elevates your grooming routine with this premium kit. It combines essential tools with nourishing balm and oil for a truly revitalizing experience. If you appreciate a sophisticated fragrance and desire a high-quality, all-encompassing solution for a soft, healthy, and well-styled beard, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and the trimmer is lightweight. It comes with multiple attachments for different beard lengths, which is very convenient. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several trims on a single charge. Number 1. Isner Mild Beard Grooming Kit. Introducing the Isner Mild Beard Grooming Kit, your all-in-one solution for comprehensive beard care. This kit is designed to help you achieve a perfectly groomed beard with ease. It includes essential tools like beard oil, balm, wash, a brush, comb, and even a straight razor. You'll have everything you need to maintain a healthy and stylish beard. Looking for the ideal gift? This grooming kit makes a thoughtful present for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. It's perfect for boyfriends, husbands, or co-workers. With this kit, you can easily style and care for your beard, enhancing your overall look. It's designed for men who take pride in their appearance. Don't forget this as a fantastic Christmas stocking stuffer. It's a practical and appreciated gift that any man would love to receive. What we like. This kit offers a complete beard care system, even including a straight razor for the ultimate shaping experience. It covers all the bases from washing to styling, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a comprehensive gift that covers all aspects of beard maintenance, or if you enjoy the precision of a straight razor, this set is an excellent option for any man. What people say. The kit includes a variety of attachments for different beard lengths and styles. The trimmer is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver. It has a powerful motor that cuts through thick hair with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.